Lincoln has been on a roll introducing new crossovers and SUVs lately, with the new Navigator, Nautilus and Aviator introduced in quick succession. The latest addition is this 2020 Corsair, which will replace the old MKC as Lincoln's smallest and most affordable crossover. Size-wise, the Lincoln Corsair fits in between things like the BMW X1 and X3 in terms of length. Now, the design language is pretty familiar from other new Lincoln crossovers. We've got that big Lincoln grille up front, the swept-back headlights, the kind of gentle surfacing on the sides that the designer calls the S-curve look, and then that big LED taillight strip around the back. It's even better looking inside, where you've got real wood, soft-touch leather, and other great materials dressing up the cabin. The cantilevered center stack is a little bit of an unusual touch, but the point is it does bring those climate control knobs a little bit close to the driver and passenger's touch. And it's not just about looks, this interior is functional too. The back seat can slide forward and aft by 6 inches, so you can decide whether you want to prioritize people room or cargo room. And Lincoln says this car has more backseat legroom than a Lexus RX. It should also be pretty quiet in there, as Lincoln has equipped the Corsair with active noise cancellation as standard, as well as lots of other countermeasures against wind, road, and engine noise. Speaking of engine noise, buyers will be able to choose between a 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder with 250 horsepower and a 2.3-litre turbo 4 with 280 horsepower. Both of those will be available with an 8-speed automatic transmission. You can get front or all-wheel drive. Of course, you get loads of technology inside, things like lots of active safety gear, a digital instrument cluster, Wi-Fi, and even the ability to use your phone as a key to unlock and start the Corsair. The 2020 Lincoln Corsair goes on sale this fall, and with its focus on style, technology, comfort and quietness, it seems pretty keyed in to what shoppers in this car segment are looking for. For more on the Lincoln Corsair, as well as all the other debuts at the New York Auto Show, be sure to visit us at theroadshow.com.